Hi, I'm James and welcome back to another video from Binks Balustrades. This month we've had a lot going on and I'm just going to show you a few projects that we have finished. First up, we have a job over in Beeston, which is a balcony. We installed the on-level TL6000 track with clear glass at the front and privacy screens either side to complete this customer's renovation works ready for building control sign-off. Second, we have a job over in Malton near York and another frameless balustrade, but on this job we needed to create a steel shelf for the balustrade to sit on, as a patio had been really badly laid and was about 50 to 60 mil out over the length of it. So we installed some galvanised box section to carry the TL6000 track, and with a glass at 17.5 toughened laminate, it sits nice and level. I'm really happy with the result of this one and the customer is really pleased too. Last on the list today is a beautiful balcony over in Follyfoot near Harrogate. This project is the finishing touch to a newly built extension. The view over the farmlands on the sides are absolutely amazing. We are just waiting for the glass to be processed to complete this one, and I'm really looking forward to getting the images to show you guys. If there's anything you've seen on this video that you want to get further information about, please get in touch via the website inquiry form or email us at contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.